think them did have one jolly conversation.
Ivany number,
like a nice conversation. I didn't know it's going to turn out like this.
Ivany, I have something to say to you. And Ivan's going to say to me that, okay, I don't want to speak to you because someone tell me I don't have to speak to you. I'm going to say, okay then, all right, have a blessed night. Why you get my number? So cocky, batty man.
Yeah, I'm trying to reason to call him Rose.
You don't do that. You're very sneaky.
That simple mean like I said, though, why you call him?
You're still on the camera and play crying eyes. I see you. Trevv, me, Rosalie, see you for what you are.
You can't see nothing about him. You can't see nothing about him. You can't see nothing about him. I'm not Trevv, but Jesus slippers.
Are you going to hear what I have to say, or you're not interested?
Tikki, Trevv don't even tell you good night, you know.
When I tell you good night, for me, don't say night good already. Same thing.
I don't even tell you good night.
I don't want to hear what you have to say. Not interested. Not interested. For a person that come on the internet and you portray like a sweet and you're nice, I tell you what you are already. If I call, me is not friend. Tikki call me. Me and Tikki are not friend, and Tikki call me. By phone number. Me block it.
Come, could I beg you some of
your Tikki number? I see you now. If you learn to tell people when I'm wrong from when I'm right, that's why I can't like you. I'm not laugh, this is why I can't like you. But this spies a little boy.
But
I don't
Rose,
tell people when I'm wrong from when I'm right.
Rose, all the Tikki I pick up for Trevv. You know, say Trevv mute Tikki and don't even say good night. Tikki, me I show you pretty.
I tell me say add him.
So I'm to that kind of use you. When I come to you now. No business when I want to do to forget use. No business with the little boy. No business.
So I'm going to kill him. I kill him.
Wrong.
No, so the internet story.
I gave you your number and I call you and ask you a question. That's enough to get my number. And then you got slung on the internet and slung and say like you're a poor thing. Don't do that, Trevv. You're very sneaking and conniving. You're a snake. You remind me of Scorpio people. I saw them wicked.
Hey, Tikki, stand up to you, man.
I same thing with Gemini.
Nope.
I own both Jesus, Gucci, but
I would never do that.
And blood clot slippers.
Nobody trace me for your man, miss. Please, lady, in the week. Nobody trace me. I'm not going to argue with you, miss. I know you tell much good, I suck, how much line. I know you trace me for your baby father. I know you trust me for your love of your life. I know you trust me for your man when you locked you up last night for one phone and you not got documents. I know you
never lock me up door.
Listen, I know you trust me for your man to walk out a hotel room and you have to call one woman to come keep your company, you know, the girls. I know you trust me.
You must see the girl you win. You kill it. You kill it. Me give the winnings. What you say, girl? Me call woman must go keep the company. You kill it.
And at the end of the blood clot, they knowing blood. Him is a Gemini. That you say?
Gemini, them are wicked, you know?
Him no want you.
Me want him.
That
Tikki, I want you for true. I say Gemini, they play me.
That can't help you.
Two woman, you know, why you for true, Tikki?
That can't help you.
I say Gemini, they play me too.
That can't help you. In my Gemini, that can't help you.
For true, listen to Rose.
No want you.
Listen to Rose, Tikki, listen to Rose.
If I make him skin crawl, Tikki, I make him skin crawl. If him fuck him stomach, I go sick.
Rose, my man love the man skin or crawl after me.
Nah, listen, Tikki. You nah listen.
Oh, this...
You know why you trace me, auntie?